This is my warning for Mr. Beast, and it's not the Kumar verse. I'm not expanding the Kumar verse. If you are thinking that he's expanding the Kumar verse or he's copying Kumar, I'm not copying him because he's fake. I know that he's just lying about things, but I really want to become the biggest YouTuber in the whole world, and it's just a matter of time in which I will become the biggest YouTuber in the whole world, and I will beat Mr. Beast. It is so difficult to get to a goal like this and to beat Mr. Beast and to become the biggest YouTuber in the whole world. Most of you will think he's lying. He's just like, bullshitting. He's talking shit. But I know deep inside of my heart that I'm going to beat Mr. Beast and become the biggest YouTuber in the whole world. It's a difficult journey, but I will persevere. I will remain a strong person. I will remain an unstoppable person. I will remain a person that doesn't quit, that doesn't give up, and finally win, and finally have more than 500 million subscribers, and finally get at the top of YouTube, and finally beat Mr. Beast. It's easy for me, because if I say something, then I do it. That's it. If you can be the same kind of person like me, that whenever you say anything, whenever you decide a goal for yourself and then you stick with it, it doesn't matter what anybody else say to you. If you can't do it, this can't happen, that can't happen. It doesn't matter. You have to persevere. You have to stick to your words. You have to stick to yourself. If you can be this guy, then you can achieve tremendous amount of things in your life. So it's very important to stick up for yourself, to stick up for your name, to carry your last name, and to be a better person. You have to improve yourself every single day. As I am beating Mr. Beast, as I am on the journey to beat Mr. Beast, I am improving myself every single day. I am improving every single aspect of my videos, whether they are thumbnails, whether they are videos, whether they are title, whether they are anything else that it takes. I will finally beat Mr. Beast.